Inhabits many wooded habitats with clearings, farmland, and urban areas with trees from Indonesia to Australia. The male has a rich, golden plumage, extending from their underparts and in a collar around the bird's neck, contrasting with a jet black hood and a white throat patch. It is a common sound in Australian bush in spring and summer. The duller female. Wood swallows are a frequent sight on early morning or late afternoon, generally in woodlands and wetlands. The grown-up chicks still might return to the tree they were born in, to roost there. Widespread butcherbird, its song can be heard everywhere, in forests, scrubs, garden and parks, where it hunts mainly for invertebrates and breeds at 10 meters plus off the ground. Apart from its widespread distribution, there are few places in Australia where magpies do not occur. The species' familiarity is probably due equally to its pleasant carolling song, which is such an essential part of the Australian soundscape, and for its tendency to swoop at people during its springtime nesting season. If the previous one is restless, Willie is almost impossible to stay still for more than a couple seconds. With the elegant movement of its tail, it is a spectacle to watch in the wild catching insects. Small finch with bright orange bill and a distinctive black and white moustache mark. The double-barred finch has two narrow black bars, which extend across its otherwise white front. One goes across its breast and the other across the lower portion of its throat. Inhabits open grassy habitats of far northern and eastern Australia. The red-browed finch is most easily recognized by its bright red eyebrow, rump and beak, on an otherwise green and grey bird. The flock is drinking in a small pond formed by rainfall. Plump, tiny bird with olive back, grey head, white belly and throat, white spotted black flanks, black breast band, and bright red bill in adult. Inhabits open woodlands of inland southeastern Australia. The house sparrow is a native of Europe and parts of Asia, though it was widely introduced around the world. Quickly became established in the wild, and their numbers increased enormously until they became pests. Again by man intervention.